Welcome to this video tutorial about how to use a sample form to customize your own form. For this, you'll use a lead generation sample form and then change some of the pages to match what our company and what we want our lead generation form to include. So we'll only change some of the pictures and some of the questions to customize this. But if you want, you can completely change it to suit what you are wanting to use Wispform for. So as we can see here, we've got the introductory page, and instead of an app development company, our sample form, we're going to customize it into an event organization service form. So event organization service. And in the description, we can leave this as it is. And remember, if you want to change it, you can use this box here to type in any description that you want. We'll also change the image for one that better suits what we want to do. And while that's loading, we can change the customization of the theme. So perhaps this would be a better background for what we want. Then we can keep, for this picture choice question, we can keep it as a picture choice question, but we can change what kind of choices there are. So for an event organization service, the typical choices could be a business conference, a festival, a formal function, or a personal celebration, and we can change the picture to match each of these choices. Great, let's move on to question 2, which is the third one. So currently it says, out of 10, how much planning have you done for your project already? So we can change project to event. And instead of out of 10, we can customize this to whatever we think is best. So let's say out of 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then we just have to change the title, and that's another completed question. Let's also add a description to this question where we can say that 0 means completely unprepared and 5 means sorry. Completely planned out. Instead of a yes/no question asking, do you need the project delivered or the event done in the next month, it might be better to choose another way of asking a similar question. So we could select the multiple choice question. So in the sample form, you can always add your own questions and write, around what date are you planning your event? Some of the options could be 1 month from now, up to 3 months from now, up to 6 months from now, then up to a year from now. And this is the 4th question done. And remember to remove the slides that we're replacing. The next question is asking to explain the event in detail. And so we can just leave this as it is. We don't need to change this for what we want with our Wispform. And finally, here's a question asking for the email address. So let's add on to this a little bit. That looks a little bit better. Finally, we have a question asking them to attach any files or design that can help us better understand their project. So we're changing this to event to better match what we're using this form for, and then we can leave the rest of it as it is. So if there's nothing else to add, we can say that this is all we need, and we can move on to sharing this. So clicking the Share tab at the top gives us this URL, so we can see the kind of form that we have at the moment. Let's say we'll have a festival. How much planning have we done for our event already? 2 out of 5. We want to hold it about up to 3 months from now, and then we can just write an explanation. This is optional, so we can just press next, and then we can submit our form. So we use the free version of Wispform, which means the thank you page looks like the standard thank you page here, where it gives a message which is preset and a link to Wispform. However, with the Pro package, with the paid package, instead we can change this thank you form and create our own. So thank you page is a Pro feature. So click upgrade to get custom thank you screen, logic jump, unlimited questions and responses and more for only $8 a month. So right now we'll just choose continue so we can see what this feature looks like without actually creating it. So let's just type in a custom thank you page message. So now let's just quickly go through the form and we can see what it looks like when we have a customized thank you page. So we'll skip all these questions. This is compulsory, so we'll just type in an email again. And then when we press submit, this gives us our own customized thank you page instead of the one that links back to Wispform. So this is available if you want the Pro feature. So if you want this, please sign up for the Pro features in order to get this and many other customizations for your form. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. I hope I've been able to help you out.